Anna, have you called the police?
The telephone does not seem to be working.
Yeah, it's old, and sometimes the wires get crossed. Could you look into it?
Certainly. I tried to fix the telephone, but it is still not working.
Yeah, I'm afraid there was a lot of snow tonight. The telephone lines have been affected.
What should we do?
Anna, can you walk to the nearest town? It's only 2 miles away. I would really appreciate it.
I will try. Oh dear. Whose car is this, and how did it get here? I should examine it. Great! I found a photo.
Back so soon, Anna. You managed to reach the town?
No. There's a crashed car outside the gate, and the road is covered in snow.
A car? Is anyone inside? Maybe they're injured or frozen.
No, I checked. It was empty. Is there another way to reach the town?
No, that's the only road. We had the same problem a few years ago, in the winter of 1928.
What should we do?
There's nothing we can do. We shall have to wait until the road is cleared.
Look, I found something interesting. Yesterday, I found a photo album with some of the photos torn out. And just now, I found a photo.
Intriguing.
Yes, but the most interesting part is this. Look at the photo. It's Professor Kinski.
Let's go back to reception. I found something also. I found a photo that was torn to pieces. I'm sure it was taken from my photo album. Place the album and the photo you found on the table right here. We should try to rearrange the photo pieces so they fit the frame. Very interesting. The 2 photos are of Professor Kinski and Professor Clark. And Professor Kinski is dead. I don't know what to think about this.
This is strange.
Truly. Pardon me, Anna, but I have guests to attend to and a dinner to prepare.
Of course. We shall talk after dinner.
Meine Damen und Herren, I have some news I need to share with you. We are cut off from the world. The blizzard was so severe, the only road to the outside is impassable.
We should call the municipal authorities. They must come here as soon as possible.
The telephone lines are dead, Father. As I said, we are completely cut off.
Something similar happened to me in the Himalayas once. I was staying in a small village, and when a blizzard struck, found myself trapped.
Oh, what were you doing in the Himalayas, Professor?
We were looking for ancient artifacts. Anyway, how long does it usually take to clear the road, Otto?
Yeah, a couple of days. 2, maybe 3 maximum.
Siamo nei guai. Do we have enough food to last that long?
There's nothing to worry about, my Italian friend. We can last a month if needed. We have plenty of food and drink.
Bellissimo! As long as we have food, wine, and the beautiful ladies, I am content. Dal Moro, where is the bella Swedish lady?
Ah, Ulla.
Si, Ulla.
And where is Dr. Hartman?
I hope nothing has happened to either of them. Anna, we should go check on Dr. Hartman. His room was on this floor, room number 2.
Dr. Hartman is not here. This is strange. Maybe Dr. Hartman is with Ulla in her room.
A man in a wheelchair couldn't go to the second floor, could he?
Ja, klar. You are right.
Anna, could you check Dr. Hartman's belongings? Maybe you will find something interesting.
I'm on the case. Great! I found a syringe.
Mein Gott! Upstairs! Quickly! Ulla is dead!
This cannot be happening.
There is no pulse.
Is she dead?
Oh my god.
Are you sure there is no pulse?
Oh my god, what is going on here?
Calm down. We need a doctor. Have you found Dr. Hartman?
No.
We need to know what happened here. How did she die?
It looks like another heart attack.
A heart attack? Again? This seems suspicious to me. Great! I found a lighter. This lighter is still hot, as if it was used minutes ago.
Do you think someone might have been here?
Everything is possible, Otto. We need to find Dr. Hartman.
I will try. Dr. Hartman,
Anna, what is the trouble?
Ulla is dead.
Mein Gott.
Where have you been?
I was exploring the premises.
Have you been to Ulla's room recently?
In a wheelchair? Is this some kind of joke?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean...
How did she die?
We don't know. Claudia says it may be another heart attack.
A heart attack, yes, that sounds correct.
What do you mean?
Never mind. If you have no more questions, then I would like to return to my book. Please excuse me. Anna, I would prefer to be alone.
Anna, come and have some tea near the fireplace.
On my way. Where is everyone?
It's late.
While we are alone, I want to discuss something with the two of you.
Yes?
I have been running this hotel for 25 years. I have never seen two people dying. And in 2 days. And 2 heart attacks. This is just impossible.
I agree with you, Otto. It's very unusual to say the least.
Do you believe it is possible to simulate a heart attack?
I believe it's quite possible, yes.
And who would be able to do so?
Someone with medical experience?
Exactly. Now, 2 people were missing at dinner this evening. Ulla and Dr. Hartman. We found Ulla dead in her room.
Did you find Dr. Hartman?
Yes, I did. And he acted odd. He asked me what happened to Ulla. And when I informed him of her heart attack, he murmured, "That sounds correct."
I think he is somehow involved in all of this.
I agree. But what should we do?
I have an idea. If Ulla's heart attack was brought on, then we will probably find something in her room to prove it.
We should also examine her body.
Let's go then, shall we?
Yes, we'll need a magnifying glass. Do you have one, Otto?
Oh yes, it should be. Somewhere in the kitchen. Anna, can you go and find it? We will wait for...
I found a magnifying glass. I found it.
Great! Look here. Check Ulla's neck.
I think someone injected her.
Please, let me.
See?
She was definitely killed. I'm sure about it.
By the way, do you see that liquid on the floor?
Yes?
Judging by the smell, I would guess it is some kind of acid. We need to pour some baking soda on it. You can find soda in the kitchen.
Great! I found some baking soda.
What did I tell you? This is acid. I am sure it was somehow used to kill poor Ulla.
And Professor Kinski? Do you think he was killed as well?
That's a good question, Anna.
I think we should go and examine his body.